Every single day, large amount of perfectly good food are wasted. Food that could have fed someone in need ends up in dustbins. And at the same time, millions of people struggle to find even one proper meal. This contrast made us think deeply. What if we could connect this wasted food to those who truly needed it? We started discussing this problem in our hostel room. We realized that the issue is not the lack of food, but the lack of connection between food providers and NGOs. So we came up with a simple idea to build a platform that connects restaurants and NGOs instantly. And that's how our app was born. We did not just stop at the idea, we decided to turn it into something real. We started by understanding the problem deeply and planned how restaurants and NGOs could connect efficiently. We mapped out the entire workflow step by step. Each of us took responsibility for different parts of the project, from designing the interface to developing the backend system. We spent hours coding, testing, and improving the application.
So on opening our website, you can see our dashboard where there is the donor option. Here, the person who is donating has to type their name, the amount of serving they are donating, and the expiry date and the amount of time. In the description, you have to put what food you are donating, and once you click on submit batch, it will come to the available batches section. It will show the current live status. Now, on going to the live map, it opens the map. It will show where the donor and the distributor is.
Every day, countless meals are thrown away, not because they are spoiled, but because there is no one to take them. What we often call extra could be someone else's only chance to eat. But what if wasting food was no longer the only option? With just one simple step, that same food can reach someone in need. A small action, a quick connection, and a meaningful difference is made. Food that once had no value now becomes hope. Because hunger is not a choice, but helping can be. Turn leftovers into lifelines, because every meal truly matters.